Google I/O has officially concluded, and I had the chance to watch Sundar Pichai and Demis Hassabis present Google's ambitious vision for the future of technology. One thing became immediately clear. Google wants Gemini integrated into everything. It feels like the company's strategy is to take Gemini, attach it to every product imaginable, and launch it. From Gemini Spark and Gemini Omni to Gemini Flow and many other services, Google is fully embracing what it calls the agentic Gemini era. Search is becoming an AI agent, Gmail is becoming an AI agent, Android is becoming an AI agent, and even smart glasses are evolving into AI-powered assistants. Watching the keynote made me realize that Google is no longer focused solely on organizing information through traditional search results. Instead, the company appears determined to become the primary interface between people and the digital world, before competitors like OpenAI and Anthropic get there first. Fortunately, Google I/O wasn't entirely focused on artificial intelligence. While there were no major announcements for Angular developers, Google did introduce a fascinating new web technology that deserves attention from anyone building for the web. Before getting into that, it's worth recognizing Google's incredible ability to operate at massive scale. The company serves billions of users every day, and over the last 2 years, its AI infrastructure has grown at an astonishing rate. Monthly token processing has increased from trillions to multiple quadrillions, and that growth shows no signs of slowing down. To support this demand, Alphabet has dramatically increased spending on new data centers and computing infrastructure. A major reason Google can scale AI so efficiently is its custom tensor processing units, or TPUs. At this year's event, Google announced a new strategy that separates training workloads from inference workloads. In simple terms, one chip is optimized for teaching AI models, while another is optimized for running them in production at enormous scale. This division allows Google to improve efficiency while handling the growing demands of modern AI systems. The headline announcement of the conference was Gemini Omni, a multimodal model capable of accepting virtually any form of input, including text, video, and audio, while generating a wide variety of outputs. These systems are no longer simply predicting text or generating images. They are becoming increasingly capable of understanding language, motion, physical environments, and complex relationships within the world. Alongside this new model, Google introduced a fresh design language for the Gemini ecosystem called Neural Expressive. On the surface, it appears to be a visual redesign with updated icons and modern gradients, but its real purpose is much deeper. The interface is designed to dynamically generate UI components, such as diagrams, timelines, visualizations, and even small applications that are created specifically in response to a user's prompt. Google also unveiled Gemini Flash 3.5, the company's fast and efficient AI model. According to Google's benchmark demonstrations, it delivers performance that approaches leading frontier models while operating at significantly higher speeds. The charts presented during the keynote suggested that Flash occupies a unique position, where speed and intelligence are both highly competitive. However, many developers were hoping to see Gemini 3.5 Pro, Google's flagship model, which remains unreleased and is expected to arrive later in the year. Not every announcement was universally praised. Google's AI-focused development environment, known as Anti-Gravity and previously called Windsurf, generated mixed reactions. Originally designed as a VS Code-based coding assistant, the platform has evolved into something that resembles a management system for AI agents, rather than a traditional coding environment. Some experienced developers aren't enthusiastic about this direction, but the live demonstrations were undeniably impressive. During one demo, the system was used to build an operating system from scratch. Although it initially failed to run Doom because essential drivers were missing, Gemini generated the required code on the spot, allowing the game to run moments later. The speed at which the system produced code was one of the most impressive aspects of the presentation. However, increased performance comes with increased costs. Google announced that Gemini 3.5 Flash is considerably more expensive than previous versions. While it remains cheaper than some competing models, the era of ultra-cheap AI inference appears to be coming to an end, as models become more capable and computationally demanding. Beyond AI, one of the most exciting announcements for web developers was a new HTML and Canvas API. This technology allows developers to render native HTML elements directly inside a Canvas environment. The result is a powerful combination of traditional web interfaces and high-performance graphics technologies, such as WebGL and WebGPU. Developers can now create highly interactive applications while still benefiting from familiar HTML-based components, opening up entirely new possibilities for web experiences. Overall, Google I/O 2026 showcased a company that is rapidly transforming